Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm finally filming my Bicester Village haul. Yay! I can't wait to show you what I got from Dior. I have some Louboutin shoes to unbox with you. I'll tell you how much I saved. So if you're interested, keep watching. Also, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here, where you can see how I style my new purchases. I show you my daily outfits on my stories. I would love to see you guys on my Instagram as well. And if you've missed my Bicester Village shopping vlog, make sure you check it out. It is probably one of my favorite Bicester Village vlogs. I showed you so much eye candy. I literally vlogged. I tried to vlog at as many stores as I could. We went to Prada, Gucci, Dior, Fendi, Jimmy Choo. So yeah, if you're interested, that video will be linked above. So let's get started with the unboxing. So I will start with my favorite purchase from Bicester Village. If you're not familiar with Bicester Village, it is an outlet. You can find some amazing deals at Bicester Village. Everything at Dior was 40% off. So they had some cool bags this time. Actually, I did like some of the bags. I loved the ones with the little hearts. I loved the book tote, but I didn't end up buying any handbags from Dior. I scored this amazing ready-to-wear piece. It is, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Can you guys see? I have to try it on. It is this absolutely stunning navy blue blazer slash jacket, like a cropped jacket. It is so beautiful. I love navy blue. I actually wear navy blue a lot. You may also know that I have the 30 Montan bag in a similar color, so they would go so nicely together, and I do wear that bag a lot. So I think it's because of the color. I just seem to wear that color a lot, so I knew this would be a good purchase. And actually this was the only jacket that they had. It was the last size. I think they only received 2 sizes, and they were both actually quite large sizes. I ended up getting this in a size 44 because that was the only one, that was the last one left. But to be honest, I think it fits really well. I will try it on so you can see, but because it's a cropped jacket, I do prefer to get cropped jackets usually in a larger sizes anyway, so they're slightly longer. I'm quite tall and I don't like to wear like very cropped jackets, very short jackets. So I think lengthwise it works really well for me. I also have enough room to layer underneath if I want to wear with a cashmere jumper when it gets a bit colder. I think it's fine. I don't even need to tailor it, but I can always bring it to Dior and they would tailor it for me if I need. I think it fits really well. It's such a classic silhouette. It is so nicely tailored, and yeah, the Dior tailoring is next level, especially when it comes to jackets and blazers. You guys know there is a reason why their jackets and their bar jackets are so popular, because they fit so nicely. So yeah, I'm really happy with this amazing score from Dior, especially 40% off. I did save up quite a bit. I can't remember the price right now, but I'll make sure I leave all the prices down below in the description box if you're interested. But as I mentioned, everything at Dior was 40% off. So yeah, huge score. I'm so happy with this one, and I also love the buttons because they're a bit understated. They have the logo CD. They have the same logo as the 30 Montan bag, so I love that, and I love that they're gold. Also, we have the same buttons here. Alright, next I have 3 pairs of Louboutins, and you might be thinking, hold on, 3 pairs? You only showed us 1 bag. So let me explain. Let me actually find the one I want to show you first. So it's the largest box. This one I bought from Bicester Village when I visited last time, you saw in the vlog, and I'm so happy I found these. They are so beautiful, and I'll show you in a bit. Actually, let me show you now and I'll talk about the other ones and how I got them later. But these are the Louboutins I found. Ta-da! Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Look at them. Here they are. Oh my god, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been eyeing these for a while. I remember when they launched on My Theresa. So actually I have these saved in my wish list on My Theresa, and they actually had these in so many colors, but I never ended up buying these. I kind of forgot about these after that, but I've always liked them and then they disappeared. So when I went to Bicester Village, I saw a few pairs of sneakers. They didn't have that many. I really wanted a pair of sneakers. You guys know how much I love my Louboutin sneakers that I scored the last time I went to Bicester Village. I'll link that video above if you're interested as well. But I was hoping to score another pair of sneakers because I can't wear high heels. So I was hoping to find some nice sandals in a block heel or some amazing pair of sneakers again. Most of the display shoes were really tall, like high heels, and I explained to the guy who was helping me, he was so sweet, that I was looking for something with a lower heel, and he said they might have something in the back. He brought these and I was like, oh my god. These I actually wanted to buy like 1 or 2 years ago. I can't remember when I saw them on my Theresa. So I was so happy he brought them out, and they also had these in the beige color and like a taupey color as well, but I ended up getting the black because they're classic. I thought I would wear these the most. They'll be the easiest to style, and I love the mesh fabric. I love this cute little ribbon on the front. They have a patent toe cap as well. I personally find all Louboutin shoes run really big, so I ended up getting these in 37.5, like a full size down. I'm normally 38.5 in boots and closed shoes, so I sized down. And yeah, can't wait to wear these. Absolutely love them. I think they're the cutest, and look at this fresh red sole. I am loving them. What do you guys think? Do you like them? The price, I can tell you the price because I can see it here on the bottom. They didn't remove it. So the original price was, okay, so the heel height is 55 mm. And the original price is £755, and I paid £450. So big saving, yay! So that was everything I got on my visit to Bicester Village. However, later on I ended up buying 2 more pairs of Louboutin shoes, and I got them through their personal shoppers. So I actually received, I showed you the apartment at Bicester Village in my previous video in my shopping vlog, and I think there was 1 or 2 comments asking how do you get access to the apartment. It is so beautiful, I love it there. You can get access through personal shopping, and their personal shoppers are fantastic. Plus, the biggest difference from the other personal shoppers that you see on Instagram, resellers, they charge you crazy fees, like sourcing fees. Bicester Village personal shoppers, they don't charge you anything. Definitely check out their personal shopping service. It is really amazing, and you would love the apartments. You can book an appointment there, and they will just bring everything. They have beautiful rooms. I showed you in my shopping vlog. So you can go there, have a coke, some refreshments, and they would bring you everything you would like to try on there in peace. You don't have to queue at the boutiques. So yeah, I ended up buying 2 more pairs of shoes later on. So let me show you. These ones I removed all the dust bags and everything, but this is the first pair, and I am obsessed. I really need to try them on so you can see how they look on. They are so stunning, and I love this leopard print. You know, I'm normally very picky when it comes to leopard prints. I don't like all leopard prints, but this one I really like. I love the color as well, and I thought these will look really great styled with my caramel classic flap because they're like the same color. And the heel height on these is perfect for me. They're also extremely comfortable. Unlike other Louboutin heels, these are very comfortable. I also find these a bit wider, so these are definitely a wider fit and much more comfortable. You guys know that spikes and studs are very signature to Louboutin shoes. They love using spikes on their shoes, and I love these because they're gold. They look so beautiful on the foot. We also have these beautiful straps here that go around your ankle, and yeah, love them. Love the design. I can't remember the price of these, but again, they were a really great deal. Actually, I just noticed there is a tag here on the side. So these are called the Levita 55, so I guess the heel height is 55 mm. Again, a very comfortable heel height for me. And yeah, the leopard part is like suede. Last pair, definitely not least, I'm so excited to show you these. So I did mention that I was after a pair of sneakers, and I love my Louboutin Vieira sneakers. I cannot recommend them enough, guys. They're the most comfortable sneakers. They go with everything. So I wanted another pair in like a neutral color, black, white or metallic, because I love wearing metallics. They go with everything. So I told them, if you receive a pair of Vieira sneakers, let me know ASAP. I will take them. And guess what? They received a pair of my favorite style of sneakers. And let me take the other one out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. These are slightly different to the ones I have, but they're again gold. These are very gold, okay. The ones I already have are more like a champagne gold. These are like true gold color, and I love them. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with these, you have no idea. I want to buy the Vieira sneaker in every color, and always they come up with such beautiful colors. I recently saw a really beautiful pair of baby pink. If they're still available, I will make sure I link them down below. I think I saw them on my Teresa, so if they're still available, I will link them. But I wouldn't mind paying the full price for these if I find them in a color that I really like, because they're so good. You won't regret it, guys. Trust me, these are the best sneakers you will ever own. And I love the spikes again, very Louboutin with the spikes. And these I loved because inside, I will insert like a close-up so you can see. There is like a clear layer, and inside you can see this wrinkled Louboutin paper. It's like a metallic paper wrinkled inside that says Christian Louboutin. I actually remember when they launched this collection, they also had some other very popular styles like the Pegaus, I believe. They had with the same like finishing with that wrinkled paper inside, and I loved that collection. I think they had it in like different colorways as well. Let me know which one was your favorite Louboutin pair of shoes that I got. Or these, let me know in the comment section down below which ones were your favorite. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Bicester Village unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!